Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create glitch transition in Alight Motion. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my Alight Motion and then I'm going to create glitch transition for this project. As you can see, I have added two photos to this project and I'm going to create glitch transition. First of all, I'm going to click on this plus icon and then I'm going to go to the media and I'm going to add the glitch layer I have just downloaded from the internet. I'm going to go to the download folder and just wait for a moment. I'm going to search for the glitch layer. This one, I'm going to add it to my project. I'm just going to split it right here. And I'm going to delete the rest of it. Okay, and then I'm going to blend this glitch layer with my photo. I'm going to go to the blending and opacity and I'm going to select lighten and I'm going to choose the color dodge. Alright, and now the glitch transition has been applied to this project. As you can see, this is the final result. Alright guys, so that's all the way to create glitch transition in Alight Motion. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.